Step 1. The TX pin of the ESP module is connected to the RX pin of the serial monitor. Step 2. The RX pin of the ESP module is connected to the TX pin of the serial monitor. The anode leg of the LED is connected to the second pin of the resistor using a green. Step 4. The anode leg of LED 2 is connected to the second pin of the resistor 2. Step 5. The anode leg of the LED 1 is connected to the second pin of resistor R3. Step 6. The cathode leg of LED 3 is connected to the second ground pin of the ESP module. Step 7. The cathode leg of the LED 2 is connected to the second ground pin of the ESP module. Step 8. The cathode leg of the LED 1 is connected to the second ground pin of the ESP module. Step 9. The first pin of resistor is connected to pin 16 using 16 of the ESP module. Step 10. The first pin of resistor 2 is connected to pin 15 of the ESP module. Step 11. The first pin of resistor 3 is connected to pin 0 of the ESP module. Step 12. The VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 5V pin of the ESP module. Step 13. The third pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to pin 32 of the ESP module. Step 14. The echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to pin 33 of the ESP module. Step 15. The ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the first ground pin of the ESP module. And after that, I input the code.